Super easy gummy candy. Let us begin. Hi, I'm Fat Papa. Today I will tell you how to make the gummy candy. It's only 3 ingredients, super easy. As you can see, we only need 3 ingredients: honey, juice, and then a gelatin. And also the mold. The mold, I get it online. Remember to get the one that has the tube. It will be easier. So let us begin. So first we put 1 cup of the juice. This time we choose the mango juice. The best taste I test now is the grape juice if you have, or the cranberry juice is okay. Then mango juice is good, and we always choose the organic one. So after you put the juice in, use the medium fire, don't turn it to the high one. Then you put in 1 tablespoon of the honey inside and then mix. You might say the juice already sweet, why put the honey? But after you cook the juice, no matter which one, you will feel more sweet than before. The sugar will not be that taste out, so we need to add some honey in, and honey is better than sugar. So after that we put 3 bags of the gelatin, so 3 bags of the 0.4 ounce package, or you can put 3 tablespoons if you have the bottle one. After you put in, just mix them until you don't see any of the gelatin. Then it's done, and then you can turn off the fire and let it cool down a little bit. So first you use the chopstick to mix a little bit, and then if you have the other tools, it's fine. Otherwise you use the spoon, it will work, or chopstick. Those is it will work. You just keep moving, mix them together. Since it's the juice is heat, as long as it about to boil temperature, then the gelatin should be mixed well with the juice. As you can see now, they mix well together, and then you turn off the fire, let it cool down a little bit before you put in the mold, otherwise it will be too hot. So you purchase the mold. Now a lot of them will include the tube, and that way it's easier for you to put it in. Otherwise you can use a spoon, but it will take longer time, and then it will a little bit messy. So I would recommend, if you don't have the mold, you need to get one, and then get the one with the tube. After that, you put in the refrigerator for about 2 hours to 2.5 hours. Then it's done. It's super easy. After that, you just remove them and put in the sealed jar. Any the glass one is fine, plastic one is fine, as long as they are sealed. And then it can put up to 1 week if they can last for 1 week. Mostly for our kit, as you can see, we have 2 jars. We need to separate it, otherwise it will be in big fight. And then you can have any of the mold you want. We choose those, is my son like the block toys, and then my daughter like those cute one, the heart or the beer one. So you can choose any mold you want. The one we make, don't choose all the big one, otherwise it will be less of them. So we choose some small size, some big size, so they have different texture, then the size the kid will be happy. And that's this easy. And then the whole thing probably 10 minutes. After that is put in the freezer, the wait time, and then it's done. And why I want to show you this is you make this gummy candy, you know what is in there. We put the organic juice, honey, and also the gelatin, and you know that's all the ingredient in there. and your kid will love it, and you will be happy to have it. If you like my video, give me a like, subscribe my channel, and then click the bell so I have a new video, you won't miss it. I will see you on my next video. Thank you.